I travel through a land where light changes everything, from the golden plains to deep, endless skies. I watch from above as the world unfolds beneath me, vast, raw, and untouched. From above, the world feels quieter, not silent, but sacred. Watching wildlife move freely across the landscape, unaware of my presence, was like witnessing nature's truth unfiltered. Herds drifted like living patterns, shadows stretching beside them as if time slowed down just to let them pass. Birds in flight traced invisible paths I could only dream of following. Predators moved with purpose, and stillness, at times, spoke louder than motion. Capturing them not just in photos or videos, but in the moments, felt like collecting pieces of something ancient, a rhythm older than us, still beating in the dust and grass. I wasn't just documenting, I was learning how to see. And in the end, as the sun dipped low, and the golden light swept across the earth, I realized this journey wasn't just about what I saw from above. It was about what it awakened within me.
Well done on that, some professional flyers, which I always like.
Yeah,
So yeah, and then you better come back.
definitely. We are meeting again, MC.
Yeah, no, definitely. Either you or somewhere else, but we are meeting.
Definitely.
I might be on your anesthesiology table. I tried the whole night to say that, so finally got it. There we go.
That's